Service is accepting public comment on a mining project in the Patagonia Mountains. The mining company South 32 recently announced a roughly $2.2 billion investment into their Southern Arizona Hermosa Project in Santa Cruz County. KGUN 9's Madison Thomas gives us a first-hand look at where they would mine and how it could impact the community.
The Southern Arizona Hermosa Project is located here in the Patagonia Mountains. The mining project will be capable of producing both zinc and manganese. The company says it will have a huge economic impact on Santa Cruz County, but it has been met with some pushback.
We have looked at all of the historic concerns around environmental issues in mining.
They're not subjecting themselves to the risks. And yet they're minimizing those risks to us.
Last year, the project became the first mine to be added to the government's Fast 41 permit program, which is designed to help speed up the permitting process. The project's president, Pat Reisner, says the state-of-the-art project is building the foundation for next-generation mining.
Small surface footprint, reduced water consumption, as well as net zero greenhouse gas emissions long term.
Joni Steller lives in Patagonia. She's the chair of the Patagonia Area Resource Alliance, a local group advocating for the highest environmental standards for the Southern Arizona Hermosa Project.
They don't seem to have that level of responsibility toward the environment and towards humans as they claim to have.
The company's roughly $2.2 billion investment will go towards mining zinc deposits, done with an underground mine.
Renewable energy is much more zinc intensive than fossil fuel energy, so as we start to make that energy transition to renewables, zinc will be important.
As of right now, they're still deciding if they want to mine the manganese. Currently, South Africa, Australia, and China are the world's leading producers.
There's manganese in the cathode of every electric vehicle battery. We're seeing the electric vehicle industry start to develop manufacturing facilities domestically in the U.S., so this would be a domestic source of manganese.
But Steller worries about the potential impacts of manganese mining.
We're pushing them to have standards as strict as they have for lead, because this is a neurotoxin very similar to lead.
Reisner says all their materials and products moving off the site will be in sealed containers, along with having environmental and community health baseline assessments and a good neighbor agreement with the local communities,
which will memorialize and bind us to commitments we're going to make around environmental monitoring above and beyond what our permits require.
If the project moves forward, this could bring about 900 jobs to the area. They say about 80% of the operational workforce will be current Santa Cruz County residents. Reporting near Patagonia, Madison Thomas, KGUN 9.